ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमः ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिन् इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय श्री कृष्ण बलराम की जय, श्री निताय गौरंग की जय, श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय कृष्ण बलराम कृष्ण बलराम जय कृष्ण बलराम। निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा, जय श्री कृष्ण बलराम की, श्री निताय गौरंग की, श्रीला प्रभुपाद की। हरे कृष्ण।
Thank you so much, Prabhu. I think we have, people are still joining in, but maybe we could get started. Is Vikram Prabhu here? Oh.
Hare Krishna, yes, I'm here.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Okay. Hare Krishna, everyone. Welcome to Krishna Fest celebration. Thank you for taking time from your busy schedules and joining us. We are very, very excited to have you all here. It's been an exciting ride for Krishna Balram team. For us past week, we were overwhelmed with so many amazing performances and wonderful participation from the community. And wow, wonderful, wonderful kids. So it's such a good feeling to have so many people participate in the celebration of the most auspicious moment, Krishna Janmashtami. My name is Rasapriya Devi Dasi. I've been associated with this mission and Hare Krishna movement from past 7 years. And I can say it has transformed myself and my family and made our lives much more meaningful and happier. Outside of my temple services, I'm a senior program manager at Amazon. And I have 2 kids. Both of them go to our Sunday school. We'll share a little bit more about our Sunday school program at the temple. And let's get started. Very, very nice to have you all today. Thank you so much. Since many of you have just joined again, Prabhu, should we do the prayers again or?
Sure.
Okay, so everyone, all the kids, fold your hands and say these along with me. You can follow the screen. Okay, everybody, all the parents and kids, fold your hands and you can say the prayers along with us. Om Agnanatimirandasya Gnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Presthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamin Iti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय श्री प्रभुपाद. Thank you all. Okay, so moving on, I would love to introduce Vikram Krishna Prabhu. He is the founder and president of India Heritage Foundation, USA, and Sri Krishna Balram Mandir, Sunnyvale. And he's a leader by example. We get a lot of motivation from him. He has started the journey of, as I said, the journey of India Heritage Foundation and Krishna Balram Mandir. Let's hear a few words from him. And he's also a director at Microsoft. He is super busy, but he's what do you call? He's a role model in how we balance our spiritual and material life. So, Vikram Krishna Prabhu, a few words from you, please.
Hare Krishna, everyone. So exciting to have all of you join today. Happy Krishna Janmashtami once again to all of you. The beauty of what Srila Prabhupada did with the Hare Krishna movement is take the essence of Vedic knowledge and take it to each and every nook and corner of the world. For the very first time, our Vedic Sanatana Dharma, Vedic understanding from the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Upanishads, it went to every nook and corner of the world. In the short time, from 1965 when Srila Prabhupada came to the US to 1977, he traveled the world 14 times and established 108 temples in every single continent of the world. And this is the beauty of our Vedic tradition. Art, culture was meant to, glorify the Lord and give meaning and richness to our lives. And it's so exciting to see all of you take this to heart and practically demonstrate that during this very successful Krishna Fest competitions. Now, if you see the Vedic tradition, despite all kinds of trials and tribulations that India went through over many centuries, we maintained that cultural identity because our culture and our thinking was all tied to the Lord. So it's a tradition, for children to learn classical music, dance, painting, all these art forms, and tie it to different pastimes of the Lord and wonderful Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Bhagavatam, and all these different pastimes. And there's a very nice sloka from the Bhagavatam that explains this and what is the role that we all have to play, especially as as parents and as a society, to inculcate this amongst the children. This is the 5th canto, 5th chapter, 18th verse from the Bhagavatam. I'll just read it. Guru nasyat swajano nasasyat pitana sajjanani nasasyat daivam natatsyan napatish nasasyan namo chayedya samupetum mrityum. One who cannot deliver his dependents from the path of repeated birth and death should never become a spiritual master, a father, a husband, a mother, or a worshipable demigod. So it's important that all of us together create this wonderful opportunity for our next generation, our future, to build the same level of connection that we all built with the Lord and the Lord's pastimes through these different activities. And it is so inspiring to see this immense participation from all of you. Again, congratulations to the whole team, to all of you for your participation, and we're all eagerly looking forward to see a few that were selected as the best of all the wonderful things everybody did. It was very difficult, by the way, to select the few because everybody did such a wonderful job. So with these few words, I'd like to get this program started out. Thank you again for your participation and look forward to seeing you very soon at the temple in person. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Prabhu. Okay, so we will move on to, so I would like to introduce Nanda Kishore Prabhu. He's the Vice President of India Heritage Foundation and Sri Krishna Balaram Mandir. He comes with more than 25 years of experience in Krishna consciousness. We call him literally as a walking Bhagavad Gita in the temple. Amazing sense of humor, a lot of knowledge that he brings and shares on practical application of the principles of Bhagavad Gita. How do we apply in our daily life? He, in addition to a ton of work that he do at the temple, he's also a technical leader at VMware. Let's hear from Nanda Kishore.
Hare Krishna. Welcome everyone to Krishna Fest virtual celebrations. It's a matter of time that we will meet very soon by the blessings of Krishna. So in Bhagavad Gita, I want to give one shloka which is very powerful and which will serve as a good instruction for especially all the participants today and the winners. So one of the powerful instructions that Krishna gives in Bhagavad Gita is Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala heturbhur ma te sangostva karmani. So what basically Krishna is saying is we should work very nicely and do our duty perfectly and not be so affected about the result of our duty or the result of our activity. Our motivation should be in doing the duty, what is assigned to us, and find that satisfaction in doing the duty perfectly. So in that sense, today, all the children who participated are the winners because I have personally seen many of their products and all of them have done really wonderful. It's just that we had to choose somebody as the winner, so the judges really had a difficult time. Many categories had ties, so we had to break the tie because we have to identify one person as the winner. So it is not in our hands sometimes, even if we think we want to give to everyone. So from this instruction of Bhagavad Gita, what we can learn is if you cultivate this mentality that my satisfaction is in doing my duty perfectly and not worry so much about things which are not in my control. So if you cultivate this mentality, then it will do wonders in your life. It is such a wonderful, valuable spiritual instruction that you can carry for the rest of your lives. So today, if you are one of the winners, congratulations. But even otherwise, congratulations. As this is, you should think this is one of the lessons that Krishna is giving you. He is giving you literally a stepping stone for success. So again, my hearty congratulations to all of you, whether you are a winner or not. And now I would like to present some unique stats for this event, as you can see on the screen. So we had totally 5 competitions: art, dance, costume, singing, and shloka recitation. And there were about 280 submissions in over all these categories, over 4 age groups, and 166 unique participants. And we have 14 judges evaluating them from different perspectives and making sure that we have all the I's dotted, T's crossed. And we have 54 winners in all these categories. So I'm really amazed with the response, and like last year we have continued to grow, and this will even continue further. And despite the pandemic, this has not stopped people's enthusiasm, and this is a way that we have got together. So now I'd like to call upon our judges to speak a few words of inspiration for the rest of the children, starting with so we have all these judges. Thank you, all these judges. All of them could not attend today, but some of them are attending today, and I'll introduce them and they can speak a few words. We have B.V. Jagdish ji and Anu ji here today, and Anu ji and B.V. Jagdish ji are our advisory board members who have been with us since the inception of our temple in 2011. Jagdish ji is also part of the board of our Akshay Patra organization. Many of you might know about that, which supplies sumptuous, nutritious food to underprivileged children in various parts of India. He is a successful entrepreneur of the Silicon Valley, a successful investor, mentor, guide to many professionals. He is in the board of many successful startups, and both Anuji and Jagdish ji are very pious family, very charitably oriented. Anuji runs this wonderful initiative called the Sevathon, where it provides a platform for so many non-profits to come together and do good for the society. So they have wonderful hearts, very wonderful people to work with. So we are fortunate to have them acting as judges for this event. So we'll hear a few words from them, starting with Jagdish ji and then followed by Anuji, and then I'll introduce other judges after they are done. Jagdish ji?
Hare Krishna, all of you. Thank you so much for providing us the opportunity to judge such a wonderful competition. And as you rightly said, the fact that all these young children participated at such a young age with so much enthusiasm, so much excitement, hats off to the children, hats off to the parents and their teachers for really training them to get to the stage, even to sit down and whatever stotra or bhajan or song, whatever they did with that courage to deliver a 3-minute kind of a presentation. Absolutely fantastic job. It was really hard for us to determine who the winner is and who the winner is not. So as a result, I would say everyone who participated is a winner, but at the end, we have to pick the top few of them as the winners. And please continue keeping this tradition. Please continue learning new songs and new bhajans and all of that. And for children especially, this will really come in handy because this helps you to develop focus, concentration, attention, and all of that. And this will benefit all the children. So please continue to keep this tradition. Thank you for providing us the opportunity once again to judge this.
Thank you so much, Jagdish ji. Really appreciate your kind words for the children. And now, can I request Anuji to speak a few words?
Thank you very much, Kishore-ji, Vikram Babu-ji. This is an amazing, incredible effort that you have all initiated. I first of all want to congratulate you all on such an incredible program you have started for the youth. It's basically laying the foundation for them to be on this path of spirituality and learn about it through art form, dance, and music. And when we look at leadership, when we look at what makes a person stand out, it is the values that they have. It is the values that they have that guide them. And you have laid the foundation for these young kids. So so kudos to all of you. So what makes somebody empowered, successful in the society is the culture. One may be educated a lot, but if there is no values, there is no meaning to that. Somebody who is a cheat and educated. And you are laying the foundation for this, and this is incredible. And secondly, I also want to congratulate all the kids who are participating in it. You are the future leaders of the humanity, and you will have in you amazing qualities which will make you the role models for the rest of the society. So each one of you are leaders. Continue on the path, learn from all the amazing stories, art form, and continue to spread it to the rest of the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anuji. Really powerful instruction to keep our values as the focus of our learning and foundation. Now I'll introduce Deepesh ji, one of our judges. Deepesh ji is another of our advisory board members, another successful entrepreneurs of the Silicon Valley. He is the founder of Hasati INC and one of the most charitable personalities you will find. He is a very avid spiritual practitioner, very inspiring person to be with, always full of enthusiasm, positive energy, talking about solutions and talking about solving problems and so on and so forth. So we are fortunate to have him as one of our judges. And his wife Alpa ji also is one of the judges but could not be here today. We will read out a statement sent by her. She is the wife of Deepesh ji and supports him in his various initiatives, and she has been also with our temple through thick and thin. So I request Deepesh ji to speak a few words of encouragement for the children.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. First of all, this was a great participation by all the participants. Especially, I had the pleasure of listening through Srimad Bhagavad Gita's shloka recitations by the participants in the age group 3 to 5. So now you think of a 3-year-old to 5-year-old children, and the way they recited Srimad Bhagavad Gita's shloka, it was truly amazing. And first, I would give the credit to their parents that basically they provided that environment in their home to nurture them, to provide them with proper pronunciation, memorizing, saying Sanskrit words clearly, although Sanskrit is nobody's first language. And second, they are encouraging them or enrolling them in Krishna schools that is being run by Krishna Balram Mandir, India Heritage Foundation. And they are bringing them to this school together. And then there are teachers there who are also encouraging and providing this supportive environment. So combined with all these things, that has resulted into about 5 participants in that age group, and each one of them did a truly superb job. And as Kishore Prabhu identified, each and everyone is a winner, and it was a tough time to go out and call out those first 3 rankers. But everyone is a winner, everyone did an amazing job, and sincere thanks and gratitude to the parents of these children who have provided this nurturing environment. Please keep it up. And if anybody has any question why they were ranked number 2 or 3 or did not win the prize, and if you want to see what were the areas of improvement, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to identify those areas of improvement so that next time when you recite, you are perfect and you are number 1. Jai Shri Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Deepesh ji. Really appreciate your words. And I've seen his evaluation. He is thoroughly pakka. He has detailedly given various candidates how they have performed, and we'll be happy to share with the candidates. So we have some words from Alpaji, one of our judges. So Rasapriya Mata, you want to read it out? Okay, right. That's there for you.
Yes, Prabhu. So Alpa Mataji, Deepesh ji's wife, she couldn't be here, so she wanted me to share these words with everybody. So I'll just read it out. Hare Krishna to all participants. It was my pleasure and privilege to go through the entries of all contestants. My first instinct was that you all are winners. You all were dressed up so adorably that it was a real difficult decision for me to select the winning entries. Kudos to your parents for helping you out. May you all advance in Krishna consciousness as you continue the journey of your life. Sorry I couldn't be present with you on Zoom due to another commitment. Lots of love and blessings to all from Alpa Mataji.
Great. Thank you, Alpaji. Thank you, all the judges. And for those who could not be here today, thank you, all of you. And now we'll move on to our next phase of presentation.
So I would love to thank you so much, Kishore Prabhu, and all the judges. Thank you for taking time and spending time with us today. So I'd love to introduce Priyasaki Mataji. She's one of the Temple Council members, director of our Sunday school, has been associated with Krishna consciousness for more than 20 years. And I would say she's a testament to women power. She's the brain, arms, legs, backbone, anything you can say of all the amazing programs that we run at the temple year round. And all the working moms or even homemakers out there, if you're overwhelmed of maintaining your work-life balance, I would always see Priyasaki Mataji as a role model and a testament of what we can achieve if we have our priorities and the time commitments in our life right. She's a mom of 12-year-old. She's a software engineer, senior software engineer at TIBCO in San Francisco. She's a major contributor at Temple. As I said, she's a director of Sunday school where we have close to 200 kids. And if she's able to balance so many things, she, out of her, like, in addition to her 40-hour workout thing, she does probably 50 hours for the temple. So if she can do it, I think we all can achieve that. And she's a great mentor to all the Matajis at temple. So Priyasaki Mataji, would love to hear a few words from you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Even though I don't deserve it, thank you for the kind words. Hare Krishna. So yeah, I would like to just thank all the participants and their parents, especially. I know I have just seen the glimpses of all your, whatever you participated the competitions, and each one of you stood out, and everybody did a wonderful job. It's not about winning or losing. It's about participation. It's all matters that whether you want to be part of it and try to do whatever your best and leave the result to the Lord. So that's the main teaching that we teach at our Sunday school. You do your job and leave the rest to the Lord. So all of you have contributed wonderfully in whatever way you can, and especially appreciate the parents taking out time and doing the video and uploads and all those things. I know it matters a lot. So thank you for that. And I would like to just take a minute and talk about like what do we do at our Sunday school. So Sunday school, as Anuji and all of the judges have spoken about. So we mainly run our school based on the values. So it is a values-based education. So we focus on key things like yoga. So we teach all the yoga concepts. So we have classes for yoga, and we teach the Vedic heritage, and we also teach Bhagavad Gita shlokas and how to recite them. And especially we focus on the meaning, because that is the way that will help you to lead your life. So nowadays, in so many stressful life that the children and students has, so all the topics that we have are mainly focused on how to balance your life and how to like achieve the goal in your life, not only in a materialistic way, especially in spiritual way, and how to be peaceful and happy in your lives. And we have Vedic culture where we talk about it, and where we discuss about festivals that comes, what are the importance of each and every festival. We do art and crafts, and we cover the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and all the Puranas. So it's actually a medley of the best of all combinations that we have. And we request all of you to please take some time. And if you are new to our Sunday school and have not enrolled, so please look into that. It's a great opportunity. So we have classes, starting from 3 years to we go on, not only here it shows only till 15 years, but we have even youth class also, where we go on till 18, 19 years. So in every age group, we have at least a minimum of 25 kids. Only in the youth, like which is 16 and above, we have around 10 kids, but all other age groups, we have 25 to 50 kids in each of the age groups. So we try our best, and we take all the feedback, and whatever, in case if you wanted to introduce us some things, whatever is in our line of and our vision. So we mainly follow the vision of Srila Prabhupada, who is our spiritual master, who introduced these gurukuls from the childhood of so many children, with even starting with American children also, teaching the values, the great values that Indian culture has and heritage has. So yeah, I would like to just take a moment to ask you all, I think like Rekha can share these links with you. And if you have any questions and anything, I'll be more than happy to talk one-on-one with any of the parents or children. We do counseling sessions too. So if any of children or parents are looking for some counseling, you're most welcome. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much, Mataji. It's amazing what all you do for this community. Just want to plug that there's discount for all Krishna Fest participants. for new enrollments. So please try to avail that once we send the emails out. Okay. Okay, so the excitement is building. I see all the comments around when is the prizes coming up in very few, like couple of minutes. Okay, so not couple, maybe a few more. But before that, let's have a wonderful video again made by one of our Sunday school student, Ritvik. And he beautifully captured all the few of the moments together from Krishna Fest, all the participants, few of the picked participants. So let's see if this plays well. Let me know if the audio works well.
Can you turn on the original or sound to on?
Okay, is it working, Prabhu? When I
Yeah, you should turn on the original sound to on so that all the sound can be transmitted properly. They're on top left of your screen on the Zoom settings. Original sound should be set to on.
It says share sound. I think so. I don't see original here. Should I play it and see if it comes
Why
out well?
why don't you unshare it? Then you'll see that option.
Okay.
On top left, do you see original sound? It says recording. Does your screen say recording?
Yeah, pause or stop recording.
No. On top left. If you are seeing Zoom,
Okay, yeah.
there should be original sound.
I don't see it, Prabhu.
Okay,
Okay, it's okay.
that's okay. Yeah, go ahead and play it.
There was an option to choose high fidelity. I saw in your option. Maybe you can choose that.
Okay, give me 1 second.
In the drop down, there was come down a little bit more. There.
Okay. Can I? Okay, let me see if this plays. Is it coming?
Yes.
Yeah. Sounds good.
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः लेलिह्यसे ग्रसमानः समन् तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपह्यसे ग्रसमानः समन्तात् लोकान् समग्रास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः कर्तुं मद्योगमाश्रितः सर्वकर्मफलत्यागं संन्यासस्य महाबाहो तत्त्वमिच्छामि वेदितवानुवाच मय्यासक्तानाः पार्थ ऊर्ध्वमूलमधः शाखम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रसदास्तस्य शाखाः गुणप्रवृद्धा ये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये కృష్ణుడేల వచ్చెను మాయదారి కృష్ణుడొచ్చి మహిమ చేసెను పండితం మరియానే పండితం తుగారే యశోద ముంగిట ముత్యము వీడు తిత్తరాని এমন দুর্মতি সংসার ভিতরে তুম বিন মোরি কন খবর গোবিন্দা নিন্দা নাম বিচন্দা মনা তুম হি গোবিন্দ মনা তুম হি গোপাল মনা
निरातिशयन नारायण श्रीलक्ष्मी
Okay, so that was a glimpse of various participants. We couldn't include everybody, so sorry about that in the interest of time, but just a glimpse of some wonderful, wonderful participants, and there's so many more that that we couldn't capture. Again, thank you so much for your participation. So the final thing comes up. So we are on time. Let's talk about the prizes. Are you all excited? Can you all come on screen and show your reaction so I can get some excitement going here? Everybody come on screen, kiddos. Let's see. Are you all ready? Yeah, see, now you're coming on screen. Wonderful. Try to come on screen. Let's see. You should all, as Prabhu said, it doesn't matter whether who wins or loses. It's the participation. You all are winners. So you should all show your appreciation with claps. Okay. So that's how I will see everybody. Okay. That's how you're winner. Okay. And Kishore Prabhu, ready for Mridanga? I don't know if the sound comes up.
We are also giving a participation certificate.
Yes. Yeah. Everybody gets a certificate.
Yeah, everyone.
So we'll be emailing the certificates, all the winners and the participants. Okay. And there are many more exciting prizes for the winners. So those, once we announce the winners, we'll send the emails to you, and there will be a survey. Please complete the survey. For those who are locally in Bay Area, you could pick a date when you can come to the temple and pick up your prize. And those who are remote, just you could confirm the mailing address and we'll send you the prasadam and the gift. So the exciting prizes, we'll have a Krishna prize, prasadam treats in your bag, and then your family will get to come to temple and do a special sankalpa in front of Krishna Balram, and lunch with the temple council member or judge. We'll love to spend some time with the kids and the family. And as I said, as Mataji said, special discount for new Sunday school enrollments. All participants will get the discount for Sunday school enrollment. So just remember, look out for the email and complete the survey. Okay, so let's go. Everybody can say Hare Krishna when they hear the names. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, so the results are here. First one is art, 3 to 5 years. First prize goes to Danvi. Everybody, if you're a winner, you should clap, okay? Second prize goes to Anasuya. Third prize goes to Neha Shrita Bondalapati. Okay. 6 to 8 years. Again, this we are talking about art here. First prize goes to Pujat Shrikar. Second prize goes to Siddhan Guru Prasad. And third prize, Kashyap Bhagavatula.
Haribo.
9 to 12 years. First prize goes to Muktika Chakilam. Second, Bhuvana Telam Shetty. Third, Tanvi Chaleti.
Haribol.
Start come on screen, okay? All the winners try to chat, put in the chat Hare Krishna. So we know you're here. Okay, all the winners put Hare Krishna in the chat. Congratulations. 13 to 16 years, first prize goes to Riya Chopra. Second prize goes to Sri Sasha Polishetty. And third prize, Anvai Ninbargi.
Haribol.
I apologize if I'm pronouncing your names incorrectly. I don't mean to screw it up, but I'm trying my best. Okay, the next round goes, we're moving on to Bhagavad Gita recitation. This was one of the biggest or, the most challenging one for the judges. So many amazing, they were so close. All of these prizes were so close. Some of them like point, close. So the first prize goes to Abhay Janalagadda. Second, Shargini Sharan. Third, Gaurangi Chauhan. Everybody, you should clap your hands for all your friends too, okay? Let us all celebrate. Okay, so 6 to 8 years, first Ira Bhagwat, second Meenakshi Rama, and third Adit Kishara.
Haribol. Very nice.
9 to 12 years, first Bhuvana Telam Shetty, second Varshit Chakilam, and third Sai Srimant Yalavarti.
Haribol.
13 to 16 years, first prize goes to Shriya Tanguturi and second Kaustubh Mangipudi.
Haribol.
Okay, dance. Okay, all the dancers, try to be on camera, okay? And make sure you say Hare Krishna or Haribol in the chat. We would love to see so many Hare Krishnas in the chat now. First prize goes to Dhanvi Annam, second prize goes to Danya Konepalli, and third prize to Viksha Saripalli.
Haribol.
Okay, 6 to 8. First prize, Priya Hasini. Second one, Gaurika. And third prize goes to Myra Saxena.
Haribol.
I see Hasini doing like this. Good job, Hasini. Yes, you are a winner. How would you express that? You have to say Haribol or Hare Krishna in the chat. Okay, 9 to 12. First prize goes to Tarini Kovela Moody. Second, Devi Ananya. And third, Ritika Kakaraparthi.
Haribol.
Okay. Cover everybody up. Krishna costume. Oh my God, this is so adorable. Let's look into it. Everybody come on camera. Okay, all the costume guys. First prize goes to Anish Purushottamam. Second, Suksha Rekar. And third, Viksha Saripalli.
Haribol.
6 to 8 years. First prize goes to Sanchana. Second, Srihan M. And third, Samika Krishna.
Haribol.
All of you are chat. I'm not able to follow the chat here, but hopefully all the winners are putting Haribol, Hare Krishna. Participants can do too, so to celebrate your other contestants. 9 to 12 years, first prize goes to Sanvi Reddy, second Shomit Mule, and third Vanshika Gelanki. And 13 to 16 years, our participant Harshit Ande. Okay, singing. Are you guys ready? Who are all the people who are waiting for the singing results? Show off your hands there. Who are all the people waiting for the singing ones? Ah, look at you. Okay. Ready? Ready to chat? Put Haribol and Hare Krishna in the chat. First prize goes to Dhanvi Annam, second Sia Sudhakar, and third prize goes to Krish Chekuri. Cool. Okay. 6 to 8 years. First prize goes to Shrestha Vijay Rao. Second prize Havisha Atili. And third prize goes to Vedant Punera. I see Sia. What's that? Sia is giving a high five to everybody there. So cute. Okay, it's 9 to 12 years. First prize goes to Vasatika Punera, second Spandana Raghav, and third Anvita Nimbargi. Everybody putting your comments in the chat. Come on, go ahead and put that. Haribol and Hare Krishna. 13 to 16 years, Nikhil Kichili. Okay, so that's we have some couple of cute little guests who have submitted. So we wanted to have a special recognition. I don't know if they're on the screen here. It's hard to see for me. There are almost 76, 80 people on the chat. Okay, so here are Achyut and Krish, the most adorable Krishna, little Krishnas we have. Though even though we didn't have a contest for 3 to below 3 years, so but they submitted, but we wanted to special recognize. They're so adorable. Okay, and now this is a big one. So we couldn't have made this possible without our wonderful, wonderful volunteers. So all of you, with a show of hands, the way we say Haribol is like this. Okay, so everybody should say Haribol. A round of applause to the volunteers who have helped us make this even possible. Sukada Govindas and Neeraja Kandukuri and Ritvik Yashoda. Everybody, Haribol. Okay, so thank you so much. You're 5 minutes early, but if any parents or kids want to say a few words, we would love to hear. Congratulations to all the winners. Again, all the participants, you are also winners. We just have to, it's just a formality that we have to do this, but you all are winners. I would love to see if any parents or kids would love to go. You can unmute yourself and speak a few words. We'd have to make sure not too many people go unmute at once, but let's see. Any show of hands who would love to speak? Priya Hasini.
Thank you for this competition you kept for about Krishna. I'm so happy that I got a chance to participate in this dance competition.
Very nice. You did a great job, Beta.
Thank you.
I think if you unshare your screen, you'll see more people directly on the.
Oh, yeah, true. Okay, yeah, this is a beautiful gallery I'm seeing here now. Okay, if anyone can take a screenshot of this, that would be super helpful. Okay, anyone else would like to speak? Parents, your experience with Krishna Fest?
Thank you for conducting this Krishna competition. I'm really happy to participate in this.
Thank you so much, Pratibha. Is that Pratibha or you have is it your parents' name?
Yeah, she's my daughter, Sanvi Reddy Dodda. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Krishna. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We can't see you, Sanvi. If you're on screen, we would love to see you. Anyone else would like to speak?
Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm really happy. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Congratulations, Beta. Vandana Chopra.
Yeah, Hare Krishna. I am Amit Chopra, father of Riya Chopra. We are very happy to participate. I think India Heritage Center is doing an excellent job in giving this platform to all the kids and keeping the age-old Vedic tradition alive. So we are very happy, and our kids also get assimilated in this culture of ours from very beginning, and they always have the right path to follow from the beginning. So I think we are very blessed to have this platform. Riya, you want to say something?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Riya. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Amitji.
Thank you.
Very well summarized that when we give that exposure to kids at early on, their lives are going to be much more beautiful.
Yes.
I see Sindhori and Sia. Maybe Sia raised her hand first. Yeah, you're so cute, Sia. Go ahead.
Thank you for the chance.
Congratulations, so cute. I saw you doing high fives with your family when you won. So cute. Sindhori, I see Sindhori. Yeah, you can raise your hands if anyone wants to speak.
I saw Aksha and Sharada Naga Padmaja. They also raising their hands.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Viksha, I see Viksha.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you for joining.
You're welcome.
Anyone else I missed? Sharada?
Thank you so much.
What's your name, beta?
Kashyap.
Kashyap. Thank you so much, Kashyap, for coming on the video.
Thank you.
So remember, everybody, you're right on time here. Thank you again for your wonderful participation, taking time on a busy weekend and spending time with us and participation. That was so wonderful. We'll do so many amazing programs. We have such interesting community here. And please look out for the email, which we'll be sending in next few days. And make sure your family signs up to come to the temple for visit and collect your prize. And those who are remote, unfortunately, we can't meet you in person, but hopefully whenever you're in Bay Area, please try to come to the temple and meet with us and share your email, mailing address so we can send the prizes for the kids. Again, wonderful. If everybody can come on screen, can anyone take a screenshot? Let me see if we can get a nice screenshot of all the wonderful pictures and your smiling faces and the judges, everybody come on screen. Let's see. My view is very limited here. I'll try to get it. So everybody together, you can say Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Okay, I have to get another screenshot. Give me 1 second, the second page. Okay, you can unmute yourself and say Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. It's wonderful meeting you all. Hare Krishna, Jai Srila Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna. Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna. Thank you.
Thank you, judges, for making time. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Bye. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Bye. Hare Krishna. Bye.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Bye.
Hare Krishna.
Bye.
Hare Krishna.
Bye.
Bye.
Hare Krishna. Bye.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. Bye.
Hare Krishna, Pooja.
Hare Krishna. Bye.
Hare
Hare Krishna. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much, Jagdish ji and Anuji, for making time.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
Hare
It was a
Krishna. Very
beautiful
nice
program.
seeing you after a long time. Thank
That
you.
was
so
really
much.
Thank you.
nice. That was really nice. Well done. Very well done program.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind words.
Okay.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna. Hare.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.